Welcome back to day 10, guys, of our Christmas snacks recipes. So in today's video, we are going to be making very delicious Christmas tree cookies. A snack recipe that you can add to your Christmas menu for your family and friends. So I sieved 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Set that aside, and these are the ingredients I'll be using. Very simple, easy to find ingredients. I have the margarine, 250 gram. I have pinch of salt. We're not using baking powder for this recipe. Then I have my powdered sugar. I'm using half cup of powdered sugar. That is the icing sugar. Then you also want to sieve that because it usually have little lumps in it, so you sieve that to get it smooth. And then these are margarine, so it shouldn't be cold, if not you will not be able to mix it. Let it just be room temperature. So you mix that very well until it's well incorporated and changes color, as if you want to make cake. So you continue mixing it like this until it's no longer yellowish, it's now like pale yellow. But it doesn't have to get to the stage of as if you are making cake. Just mix it for a while and it's okay. Now it's ready. The color like this is okay. It's good to go. Then scrape the sides so that you incorporate all the batter together. So why you are mixing it like this is to ensure that it's light in texture when it's baked. So at this stage you are ready to add in your flour. So I added that in, and then I added my sachet of baked milk powder, then the pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla flavor. Mix that all together until it's well incorporated. Then the aim is just to bring the dough together. So we are not adding water to this recipe, and this is what we have, and it's ready to be rolled out. So you can just let that rest a bit, bring one out and work with it while you keep the rest in the fridge. So it's best to dust your rolling pin with a bit of flour so it doesn't stick. As you can see, it's sticking to the rolling pin, but after dusting it, this is the difference. Easy to roll out. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like, share and comment. So this is our cookie cutter, the Christmas tree cookie cutter. So you just cut them out. Very easy, very simple and very beautiful. Then remove the unwanted parts, but not unwanted per se, because we are going to be rolling them and forming them into more. dough into more Christmas tree cookies. So for the ones we've done, set them aside onto your baking tray, which is lined and greased. So I lined mine with foil and I greased it with a little bit of the margarine. And this is the next batch. You can see I added the flour to my rolling pin and it's easier to roll out. So gather the leftover after cutting them together and mold them to get more cookies. Mold them, roll and cut out just like you did the first one, and gently transfer them onto your baking tray so it doesn't break apart. So you slightly use your hands to pull it down. And here we have it. These ones I'm going to be baking them in this pot. So if you don't have an oven, use your pot just like I did. I've done that in several videos. You can watch that and then bake on low heat, and this is what we have. So you don't have any excuse not to add this to your Christmas menu. You don't have. So at the end of the day, these are our Christmas tree cookies. So yummy, so fresh, so well baked, and so I don't even know how to, like, what will be. They were so nice. I was so impressed at the outcome. The sugar was moderate, it wasn't overly sweet. And now to take it a notch higher, to make it more Christmassy, we dusted it with our artificial snowflakes, snow powder. that was icing sugar I used to do that, and this is what we have. So yummy, right? And so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts down below. And this is the review. You see the inside. Very good, very good. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.